it by surprise that he made statements. And to us as Palestinians, these statements are so important because the world needs to know. The world needs to know that it is not conflict with Israel. Stop saying conflict. It is not peace with Israel now, because peace needs justice. It is even not war, because war has to have what's called an equal balance of power, and the war what's happening in Gaza is against civilians. It is, and he stated clearly by saying it is genocide, and ceasefire, fire should be seized. That means the people, the innocent people of Gaza, should live normally like the rest of the world.
Just say that the Pope didn't use the word genocide.
Did not.
He heard it. He heard it.
He didn't use the word genocide. He used it.
Okay.
He said it.
But they said that Matteo Bruni, that is the head of the press office, said that the Pope didn't use this word. So it's important.
Questa mattina ho ricevuto due delegazioni, una di israeliani che hanno parenti come ostaggi in Gaza e un'altra di palestinesi che hanno dei parenti prigionieri in Israele. Loro soffrono tanto. E ho sentito come soffrono ambedue. Le guerre fanno questo, ma qui siamo andati oltre le guerre. Questo non è guerra già, questo è terrorismo. Per favore andiamo avanti per la pace. Pregate per la pace, pregate tanto per la pace.